In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services. Scroll down to access Autofill with Google. And click on Google Password Manager to select the password that you wish to edit. Enter your login method, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!